So without further ado,
what's going on, everybody? Soliaka here, and I will be attending this event. Let's get into this video.
Are you fed up with hate and division tearing our country apart? Are you tired of watching our constitutional rights being stripped away? Our most treasured American freedoms are under attack. The rights we hold dear could be erased. This country has never seen such blatant abuse of power against virtually every group. People of color, immigrants, women, the LGBTQ plus community, and so many more. To help fight back against this kind of hate and discrimination, the We the People Coalition was formed. We are a passionate group of activists, community leaders, and concerned citizens fighting back to protect our democracy. On July 2nd, the We the People Coalition will take to the streets in Fort Lauderdale at the epicenter of the battle. Together, we can push back against hateful discrimination and create a better future for all. Join us to send a very clear message. We are fed up and we are not afraid. Learn more at WTPmarch.org.
After seeing this video and everything that's in it, the one thing that's missing is the one thing that would actually protect a lot of the people that are inside of what they're fighting for, is the Second Amendment. Well, Moms Demand Action and some anti-gun groups will be there, and I'm not protesting it, but I'm also not in agreement with some of it. And I'm going to show up, and I've got some other people that are going to be there as well, and they know who they are. And what this is about is actually trying to educate and try to talk to people about their actual rights. Because under the 14th Amendment and a lot of other amendments, they have the rights, but they're just upset that they think the government is trying to take away those rights, and certain parts of their rights are not being violated, like the Second Amendment. So that is what I'm going there to do. I'm not sure how they're going to respond to it. Not really, I don't really care, but I am there to try to talk to people. And so if you love this channel, make sure you hit that like, share, and that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. And don't forget, we have a giveaway coming up on my birthday in July 21st, where we're giving away an Insta360 X3. We're giving away a Rise armament trigger, and we're also giving away a rod and reel combo. It's a Pinfisher 4000 or Pinfisher 4500. Make sure you send me an email to soloyaker100giveaway@gmail.com. That way you can get entered into the giveaway. All you have to do for this giveaway is subscribe to the channel, like any one of the videos, and leave a comment. Real simple. And everything that you're doing is free. Nothing's going to cost you anything to get into this. All you have to do is just like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment. So without further ado, you know the deal, and I'm going to get out of here. Soliaker, deuces.